Here we've got the Kalamazoo machine tool H310A and H310A-NC. The machines are pretty similar in look, with the only difference being the way that the material is fed into the machine. On the 310A, you set up a program with a dial indicator on the left side of the machine. If you want 2-inch pieces, you turn the dial to 2.0. If you want any other length, just crank the dial, get to 3.0, and then lock it down. And then on the keypad, you'll hit F3 to start your hydraulics, F1 to enter the program. In here we've got a piece counter which is set at 6. Up here is the number of feeds that it's going to do. So we set the counter to 3 inches, so it's going to cut 3-inch pieces. If you were cutting over 20-inch pieces, let's say you wanted to cut a 30-inch piece, you'd turn the dial to 15 inches and then set that number for 2, and it'll feed 15 inches twice and give you a 30-inch piece. So once we've got this all set up, we got the 3-inch on the dial, we're going to cut 6 pieces, coolant's on auto. Jump over to the H310A-NC now and show you how to enter a job. There's no hand wheel, it's all done on the keypad. So you F1, that'll be job 1, F2, which opens up the job, and in here you just program your quantities and lengths. So 5-inch pieces, 12 of those, followed by 6-inch pieces, 12 of those, followed by 0.5-inch pieces, 200 of those. It'll go on and on. You can have 20 line items in a job with different lengths and different quantities. The machine does all the math for you. You're going to hit the start button. A face cut, you can hit enter to do a face cut, or escape to just get right into your program. And then you hit the start button again, and the carriage will move. Bring it forward, and it'll start cutting. Now I've got the machine tricked here, so it's not actually cutting, but the material sensor comes down, rapids down until it touches the material, and then goes into the controlled rate, which is set by the dial on the front of the machine. And as it's counting, you see the count ticking up. There's 5. This will be our last cut. And when it gets done, it'll say end of cycle. And then you hit